Okay, the next stage is to download the app. So go to the Google Play Store or go to the Apple App Store, put in Pictar, P-I-C-T-A-R, pick it up, takes you to the app, and simply download the app. So once the app's downloaded, open the app, and it comes up with a series of messages. Would you like to access the microphone? The answer to that is definitely yes. Would you like to have access to the photos? Okay. And then you get into the setup. So press just Let's Start. And the first thing you have to do to unlock the app is to scan our barcode. It says Pictar would like access to the camera. Again, say OK to that. And then simply just show the barcode on the bottom of the box towards the your phone. Press Continue, and it takes you into the setup. Part of the process of getting the app installed. So now we've done got this far in the setup, the next stage is to attach the Pictar Pro to your device. So take the Pictar Pro, slide the base into the bottom, then using your thumbs just simply push the product down, and that holds it into position. On screen you can see it's saying find the shutter button. So press the shutter button. Now half press the shutter button. Now fully press on it to capture your first image. Press Continue. Take another picture. Continue. Find the zoom ring. Zoom it one way, then zoom it the other. The zoom's on this side here. Press Continue. Find the exposure wheel, which is this one here. Turn it left. Turn it right, press Continue. Find the smart wheel, which is this wheel here. Turn it this way and that way. Continue. And if you want to receive more information from us, which I think would be well in your interest, say OK and put your email address. I'm not going to do that. And in this stage of the setup, there's a series of information that you can access on our website. There's the videos, the user manual, and some workshops that also tell you how to you might want to improve your photography. They're also available actually inside the settings of the phone as well. So done, and you're ready to go.